morning. Welcome to Runaway Homestead. I'm Perry. If you're new, I thank you for being here for one thing. I'm just out taking care of the animals this morning, and thought Ellie had trapped something in the fence down there. Anyhow, taking care of the animals and getting ready to go back and clean around the pond. I've been saving some good sized rock for quite a while and placing them on one side that I have to mow, and got to be pretty careful on that side or you could make a mistake and end up in the pond. And some of you know I was checking into, or I had put some bentonite grout in the pond, and was dragging it, trying to get it to spread. Hey, chickens. Sorry about that, couldn't get the rabbit feed open. Anyhow, I'm going to be getting rid of some willow trees around the pond. I'll be placing some of these rocks. I did find some bentonite chunks that I purchased fairly close to home. I'm in. Ellie, get out of there. You don't want rabbit food. Yeah, I'm in Elk Creek, Kentucky, and I found this stuff in Cincinnati, 110 miles or so, 110, 120, and I can get 45 bags on a pallet for $9 a bag. Give me over 2,000 pounds of bentonite, which is probably more than enough for my pond, but that's all right. I don't mind that. It is new, the pond is new, and it's not uncommon to have a few leaks. But man, it's been so dry. I'm also dealing with evaporation. Okay, hang on. Get back, Ellie. You get back, bunny. So anyhow, I'm gonna go around my pond with a brush cutter, get it cleaned up. Gonna try to get in and get some of these rocks in place while it's as comfortable as it is out. It's probably still in the 70s this morning. Humidity's a whole lot less. So I'm gonna grab my brush cutter and head around to the pond, start doing some cleaning. I'll try to take the time to get you some before and after pictures and some pictures of what I'm doing with the rock. So time to go to work. Okay, here's a glance around the pond. You can see a lot of my rock down there. Some stacked, some just piled up. And willows are just everywhere. I don't know how or why. My neighbor's got a pond just probably 50, 75 feet from mine, and no willows at all in his pond. I got a cottonwood coming up down there. Anyhow, I'm gonna get started with my brush cutter and get some of this stuff cleaned up while it's cool and comfortable this morning. I will check back with you a little later. Well, I've made my way around most of the pond. Got a little bit to come up this side in the shade over here, but at least it'll be in the shade, because just ready to come out of this sleeve t-shirt and go to my sleeveless t-shirt. But it is a beautiful day. Kim's still with the girls. My daughter's not out of the hospital yet. You're going to see a video prior to this one that so far has taken me over 48 hours for it to upload a 25-minute video. Our internet is a cell service type. It's usually not that long, but for some reason this one is just crawling. So it'll talk about our grandbaby being due, but she is here, Casey Elizabeth, and that's number 7 for us. So anyhow, Ellie's checking out what we may have stirred up down there while cleaning up. I'm gonna go get me some water and then come back at this. What do you want? You want me to throw a rock? Oh, come on, Ellie. She loves me to throw stuff in the pond for her to go after. Well, there's the progress on my rock wall. But now I need more rock. So, time to go searching. Something to throw for Ellie to go after. What's out there? What is it? She does have fun. Ready? Come on, let's go. Well, it's the next morning. Shows over here. Stuff I didn't get to yesterday, even though it was in the shade. I'll get it knocked out. And up around the fire pit. I want to show you this drain towel, plastic corrugated drain. My neighbor, knowing that my pond wasn't holding the water completely, had me get this hooked up to all his gutters on the building over here so that I can capture as much rainwater as possible. Again, it just shows what a good neighbor I have. Always helping. And Ellie's back at her normal thing, running around the pond. Anyhow, that's about it for this. Ran out of rock. And I'll keep you updated on pond progress. I will get more bentonite and get it out there. But it's going to take a lot of rain to fill this baby back up. I'm afraid I'm down to about maybe 3 feet of water in it. Hate to lose my fish. Anyhow, have a blessed Sunday, and I will see you next time.